Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable dark mode on emo, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for now, let's go ahead, first access our Play Store, go to search bar, type in emo, and make sure if your app is updated or not, because if it's not updated then you might not be able to access that particular settings of yours. Now go ahead, once it's updated, go back and open it up. Now right over here you can choose to allow. For now, let's not allow the permissions, and right over here if you want to simply turn on the dark mode, tap on your profile on top left, and there you go. You're gonna see this little half moon icon on top right section. Go ahead, tap on it, and there you go. Now it's a dark mode. If you want the light mode, again tap on it and we can enable your light mode anytime. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.